So I ordered a Mother's Day present for myself from Garden Answer, and it's come in the mail. So I thought I'd share the unboxing with you. So here we go. And here's the first package. It's the Mister. This one you can spray upside down. So like if you're trying to get the underside of a plant, so many of them, because of the way the straw works, you can't spray that way. So I'm very happy to get that. I'm very excited to be able to use it. Let's see. Next thing, Repels-All. We have been trapping groundhog, and every time we trap one, there's another one. So I'm going to take a different action. Not that we're going to quit trapping, because I think it works. I think that applying this is going to help protect my plants. I also have bunny rabbits that try to eat up my plants. And the final thing, no wait, there's one more. Ta-da! A kneeling pad. And this one is a beautiful blue. It's a nice thick cushion. And I think there's one more. Way down at the bottom. This is a spray for your snippers to keep them greased. You can't use just grease, so these are special for clippers. So that's my unboxing, and happy Mother's Day to me.